Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Miller, and along with Mr. Oakley and Mrs. Myers, I teach Accelerated Language and Literature 2, or our 9th grade English class here at Central Academy. So I want you to pay attention to this document that you'll find on Canvas. We will be using it a lot over the next couple of weeks. At the beginning of each class we'll have a bell ringer, and we'll do a small little activity using this handout so that we can learn the basics of English grammar to get us all on the same footing to start the year. So what you'll notice on this particular page is here are the Greek and Latin stems. For those of you that were here in 8th grade, you'll find them very familiar. For those of you that are new here in 9th grade, don't worry, because you'll be right on the same page as everybody else. So what you need to be able to do is know that this stem means bad. So mal means bad. Crossy means government. You'll memorize these particular stems, and then over here it shows you how you may be assessed on that. So you would have bene equals and a blank, and you would need to be able to write the word good in for that definition. Down here you'll see the stems in action. So here are a list of words that are made up from the stems that we have this week. Here are the definitions, the stem breakdown, and here they are used in a sentence. Now, what you have to be able to do is you need to be able to change the form of the word in order for it to fit properly into the sentence. And so if we come back up here, you may be asked which word best completes the following sentence. And the best answer for that would be E. Okay, we attend the class synchronously and meet with the classes in real time. When we come down to this last page, we are going to review this week the 8 parts of speech, what they are and what they do. We're also going to look at sentence building blocks, specifically phrases and clauses. And you'll need to know the difference between a dependent or a subordinate clause and an independent clause. And so again, don't worry about this because we're going to do some bell ringers to really hone in on these different skills, but we're going to make sure that we know what are the 8 parts of speech and what are examples of them, and then can we find those in a sentence. And then down here, finally, we're going to focus in on punctuation rules. This first rule that we're going to work on is comma rule number 1. Use a comma after introductory words and phrases. So, check out this sheet. Begin memorizing these words. Begin memorizing these stems, and go back through and make sure you know your 8 parts of speech, what the definition of a phrase and clause are.